Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal. Somebody sent me this file, and it is a EPS file, and it is perfect. If we take a yellow box, and he just wanted to know, it's huge. If we take a yellow box just to make sure and go to object order back a page, you can see it's just black and no background. It's perfect. It's a great image, and you want to know how he would engrave it because it's right now it is huge, 47 inches tall. So first of all, I noticed it's 100% black. That's not an RGB color. So with it all selected, I'll go over to your RGB color palette and just left click. You see it got a little darker. Let's look at this again. Let's zoom in and hit the black. It just made it a little bit darker. Now it's an RGB black. Then I'd go up to object and group it together. And I don't know what size he wants it, but I'm going to say with your ratio locked, let's make the bottom one or the tall part 12 inches. There you have it. And you could even go further. The lines are so sharp and crisp. I almost want to take this out to the shop because I think this is one of those things you could actually put a hidden message into, somewhere. I think they're doing it for somebody that loves bears and fixing to turn 90 years old. They could put a 90 right in here, just kind of hide it. Anyway, so the one I'm doing it for, this is perfect. I mean, it's a great graphic. I'd kind of like to know where you found that. It's great. So you won't have any, you could even make this thing, let's just make it 6. And it's reducing it in the size so you still got plenty of space between the laser and what's going to burn. Now this is going to be, all burned out, but the parts that are going to be white are going to be left. I think it'll work perfect. I might even take this out the shop and play with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.